Hi everyone, now Sunday, June 15. Today, Father Day in the Philippines. And now I am in the Clark CDC Park. I park car here, so I will jogging here and also show to you CDC Park and what new. Thank you for watching in advance. You see so many cars here broken. But now not so many. Before, I already filming maybe 1 year ago. So many broken cars. Also here parking Clark Security. This is traffic management section. Traffic management. And you see these cars, it's also security in the Clark Security. Don't have police here, only have security. Hi. Excuse me, can I ask? In the Clark don't have police, only security, yes? Yes, you are same like police in the Clark, yes?
Inside only.
All inside the Clark.
Yeah.
But police don't have, police station don't have.
No, only this one.
Only here.
Yeah.
So you the same, do it same in police. You can stop cars also, check document, traffic, all. Okay. So
What nationality, sir?
I am Russian, but I live in the Philippines.
Oh, you know a lot of Russian in Davao. You're number one.
No, thank you very much,
Leon.
guys.
Leon.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Yes,
See
sir.
you next time.
Yes, sir.
Regards to Vladimir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
A long time we
Good
talk.
time, Leon.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Long talk here. Maybe 20 minutes I talk with guys. They know me already, and we talk about not also in politics, also about Russia, about China. We talk because they interesting and they know my place. I was born in Vladivostok in Russia. They know, they can speak little bit even Russian language, little bit. And one guy also can speak little bit Chinese, so very good. I like talk with Philippine people. They can understand me and I'm really happy, guys. And now I will go to the Clark. I will show to you what in the inside CDC Park, because so many people now. Why I park here? Because I know not easy to park in the CDC Park. So I will show to you now. This is office, main office of CDC. CDC Clark Development Corporation. Yeah, they already know me. I asking don't have police here. They said yes, here don't have police. Is Clark Patrol. I see many people already. First I will show to you the bicycle. I already filming before. I will show again. Maybe some people not watch my video before. Oh, really many people. I like Clark really. Clark is in the Angeles, Mabalacat. It's best place for me. Not only for me, many people like. Oh, you see, before this is building, this is it was mini, no, not mini stop, 7-Eleven. And now, soon Angels Burger. Soon, Angels Burger, okay. Let's go. Many people sit here, also many jogging here. First I will show to you, I will walk. And later I will jogging, later. Little bit windy, so good weather now, so good. This is bicycle like this. So different bicycles here. Bike rental. Also helmet here. Yes, it's good if have helmet. Small also have for children. I will check again how much. There. How much here? 1 hour 250 peso and 30 minutes 150. So many bicycles. Oh, good now. Weather very good. Okay, I will move here because I don't want to disturb they drive. I don't know, have street foods here or don't have. Okay, I will walk. I will walk in the park. CR soon will open. This is CR. I think maybe next week we already open CR. Now I will show to you restaurants. There's many restaurants. Mostly it's Korean foods. But I will check. Maybe Filipino and Korean foods only. You see lighting. So maybe night time start rain. I hope not now, because now again I not take umbrella. Okay, I will filming and come back to the parking. Okay, first restaurant Shabu Nara. Birthday party inside. See, birthday party. Maybe have menu. I will check. Unlimited have. Unlimited 800 peso. Lunch and dinner. And here, yeah, it's 800 peso unlimited. I don't know another. Seafoods. Shabu Nara, okay. Another restaurant. Also have massage, spa. I don't know where. Maybe in the upstairs. I don't know. Maybe. And this restaurant name Chicken Wons. Chicken Wons. Okay, I will check how much menu maybe have. Yeah, this menu. This is menu. If I want to show menu. So restaurant name is Wons.
Yeah.
Wons Chicken.
Yeah, Wons.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, this is restaurant Wons Chicken. Another restaurant, VG Bakery and Bistro. Okay, we can check. Here I don't have menu, but it's many cakes. Cake, blueberry cheesecake also have. Another restaurant, Chief Samurai. Chief Samurai. And Chief Baboy also. Chief Baboy we already filming inside, and I already eat with my friend. We eat already inside with Shira also, but I think they said expensive, so price expensive in the Chief Baboy. And it's also Chief Baboy, it's outside where you sit. Birthday party also here. I will check also here. Backside of restaurants. Hi.
Avocado.
Oh no, thank you.
Banana.
Okay, another restaurant name. Gui K Barbecue. Also Korean restaurant. All in Korean language and English language. So name of restaurant is Gui K Barbecue. Yes. And this is bike shop. Oh, already bike shop and coffee. Before it's only bike shop, but now already have also coffee. So you can sit and drink coffee also. Until 9 p.m. working. Okay. Let's go to another restaurant. Seoul Cafe. Grill Seoul. But full. So many people. Father Day. Holiday in the Philippines. And next it already Hair Cafe. Hair Cafe maybe last week I already filming inside when we walk with Georgi. And also this is Kapampangan Foods. This one is very popular in the Pampanga province. I like this restaurant. Maybe later I will eat. Also have in the Fields Avenue. In Fields Avenue near ABC Hotel and also have same restaurant. And Crabs and Crack Seafood House. Also have Seafood House in the near Marquee Mall. I also filming before. Same restaurant. Crabs and Crab Seafood House. So many people now. It's good. And now I already show to you all restaurants here. And we so need already going to my car. I'm worried because maybe start rain later. Okay, we can walk here. Through this cafe. Oh, so many people. No, not so many people inside. Not so many. They sit outside. Most of people sit outside now. And rooftop. Next time need to check rooftop. Here, Tom's Cafe. Already jogging, maybe 7 kilometers. And I will go to home, but first maybe I will stop in some restaurant to eat. Hungry little bit, but good. I like walk. After walk, it's easy to sleep, because if I work in computer, I'm stressed sometimes. That's why I need to walk. If I walk, it's good anti-stress. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.